Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing, and you know from the title that this video is gonna be about the RAZER CYNOSA CHROMA multicolor gaming keyboard right over here. It's quite a nice keyboard. It's not very expensive, kind of affordable, and it's supposed to be really good. But let's talk about it in this video and in future videos about this. But first of all, let me know if you would like me to make these kind of videos of unboxing kind of gaming stuff. Let me know. But let's just take a look at this thing. Well, here it is. This is the box here. It has a really cool, nice picture. It's supposed to be powered by the RAZER CHROMA, which is quite interesting, I guess. And let's just get into it. So, box on top, RAZER, whatever CHROMA thing. Okay. All right, pretty simple unboxing. Very simple unboxing, hopefully. All right, straightforward, just open the box. I already tore the box, cool. Now here it is, here's the keyboard. Let's just take a look at the keyboard. Okay, it comes out and that's everything in the box. I'm acting surprised, but I should have known that. Anyway, let's put the box on the side. Here's the keyboard all by itself. There is a power cable, not a power cable, a USB port cable to plug it in. So that's pretty cool. It's even green. That's really cool. But, okay, we have an instruction manual, which is probably gonna be important since I don't really know how the colors work on this. But let's take a look. Let's take a look. Installing RAZER, plug it into your computer, install RAZER Synapse 3. Okay, pretty cool. Press function key in combination with the function keys will activate their secondary features on the PC. That's really cool. So also, one more thing about this keyboard is that you can pretty much customize all of your keys, which is quite impressive. And it kind of works like the, on-the-fly recording, gaming mode. Oh wow, configuring your RAZER CYNOSA CHROMA via RAZER Synapse 3. Ooh, breathing, fire, reactive, ripple, spectrum, starlight, static, wave. Okay, so you can customize the lights. Okay, and this is all in different languages. Okay, pretty straightforward manual. That's what we need. I learned a lot from this one. We have a nice cable thingy from RAZER. Let's remove that. It stays on, that's gonna be very annoying. And let's continue here by removing the plastic. All right, here it is. Can you unplug that? No. Here it is. Here's the keyboard in. It has a mechanical feel to it. I'm pretty sure I bought a mechanical keyboard, so that's normal. Hear that? Love that. Anyway, cool. Well, I'm gonna for sure make a review on this keyboard because it's quite interesting and it's cool-ish. It's cool. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I will forget what I wanted to say. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe, all greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye!